Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mila, and today I am doing a silk press on one of my clients. She's had braids in her hair since August, so she took them down. She did me a favor, y'all. She detangled her hair. I like these kind of clients. And then she came to me, so I shampooed her hair, conditioned her hair thoroughly. And yeah, so my husband bought me a Dyson for Christmas, and y'all, I got to try it out. And what better hair to try it out on than somebody who has a full, beautiful head of hair. So I tried it out on her hair, and y'all, you know, I wasn't too sure about all that kind of money on a blow dryer, but I will say the blow dryer was worth the coins because it blow dried her hair beautifully, quickly. And I kept the hair, I kept my dryer on medium heat, but I had it at the fastest speed and it just blow dried her hair so fast, as you guys can see on this video. But I am not going to talk your heads off. I know it looks like I'm being a little rough, but keep in mind the video is sped up. My client does not complain about me being rough, you know, so I just want to let y'all know because I be seeing y'all's little comments. But anyways, I'm going to just let you guys watch me work. I'll leave everything that I use in the description box, and I'll see you guys on my I'll see you guys next year on my next video. So take care. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. Hope you guys have a happy new year.